Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Catherine, and today I'm going to give you a room tour of the brand new Moon Palace Grand in Punta Cana. And this video to me is very special because I was invited as an ambassador to cover the experience of the grand opening on Monday. Today, Saturday. I'm just checked in. So let me show you everything this room has. It's beautiful and it's the most basic category, but it's really nothing basic about it. So the bracelet, it's the key for the room. Let's go in. So here is the closet. So something I love about the room that there's so many mirrors all around. So this is the closet, ironing board, and the iron. There's robes. I don't think there's slippers, but there's extra hangers. To this side, there's a lot of storage, and there's the safe. There's another mirror here. And now let's go to the bathroom. This bathroom is just incredible. It's honestly the most beautiful bathroom I've ever seen at an all-inclusive resort. Has a vanity here, so much light. And then there's outlets there, and then double vanity. And we have Naturabis, the hand wash, body balm, towels. And over here we have the shower. Look at that, how beautiful that is. Spectacular. There's cheap products. Now look at this design. I think this is so beautiful. And this is something I noticed throughout the property, the little we've seen so far, that there's a lot of beautiful tropical prints in the Caribbean, so they did an amazing job with that. Here's the coffee area. And I don't see coffee, but there's some treats. So I'm assuming I have to call, maybe they'll bring some coffees for that, some pods. Here we have everything that's included, a big water, and because we are in Dominican Republic, Presidente. And we have, these are Cokes, juice, there's Sprite, and there's sparkly water. Here there's the bucket for ice. Now let's go into the bed. We have a king size bed, and look at this gorgeous bed. The space is huge. This room is so big. And there's a little light here. I like that you can move it. And then, so here they showed us the TV, which they gave us the code to download the app. If you don't have it, it's good to have. It's the Palace Resorts app, which I will also put in the description if you want to have it. It's the same app throughout all the properties of Palace. And you can do everything there. Once you check in, you can reserve dinners, you can ask for anything for room service, any services that you want. You can see all the restaurants. Right now, because it's still not officially open, we can't reserve the dinners, but once it gets going, then it'll be able to do that. And then here is just extra storage. These are all just drawers. This is so spacious here. They have the couch, but there's also this chair. Wow, it's really nice, really comfortable. And then there's another space. We already have our luggage, and as you can see, look at all the space we still have, and we do have a lot of luggage. So this was broken, but I'm really impressed with how big this room is. Now, for the fun part, let me take you outside and show you the view that we have. So we have a deluxe golf view. And this balcony is also huge. This is, wow, it's very nice. There's a tub. There's these chairs. And this is, I am Dominican, and this is something typical in Dominican Republic, these rocking chairs. So this was very nice when I saw this touch. And now for the view. This is the beautiful view. It's very loud because there's still a lot of construction. Like there's a lot of work that still needs to get done. But this is the view that we have. I personally think this view is nicer than the ocean view for now because they're doing construction. And I was able to see one room that the ocean view, you can see the pool. So I kind of like this view a little more. It's probably more peaceful in the morning. We just opened a beer. This is the Presidente Light, and this concludes this video for the room tour. I will be doing several other videos, so stay tuned, subscribe if you like this video. I will be showing a drone property video of everything so you can see all the details. You can get a better feel of the towers because this is a very, very big property. I will do a separate video of the beach because that's something that everybody's interested. How's the beach? How does it look? Sarcasm and all that. And I'll do a vlog style video day to day so that you can feel like you went with me to see the dinners, to see the pool, to see all the experience and all the fun stuff. And as the day go by, they will tell us more information, and hopefully I will be able to show other room categories. I will ask for that. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.